The juggler is juggling two balls. One in hand A, one in hand B. So we got ball A and ball B. And we know that ball A goes 3 times higher than ball B. So that gives us this equation right here. It says it in the problem. Ball A goes 3 times higher than ball B. Alright, so what we got to do is figure out a ratio, the times of the balls in the air. So basically what they want is the ratio TA over TB. What is that ratio? Time A divided by time B. Okay, now what we're going to do is assume these balls are at the top of their cycle and drop them down. Okay, so we want this time A and this time B. Now this is equivalent to throwing them up and seeing how far they go, because in projectile motion the time it takes to go up is the same as the time it takes to go down. Okay, so the velocities up here is 0. Now that's a key point, knowing that the velocity up there is 0. So what we can do is find an equation for each of the distances. dA equals V naught t plus 1/2 a t squared. Okay, now I know that dA, V naught t, V naught is 0. So this whole term goes to 0 plus 1/2 a is the acceleration due to gravity, which is g. Now, since I'm just going down, I'm just going to define my y-axis positive down, just to make things easy. So I can put in g for A, TA squared. Okay, similarly I do the same thing for B. Distance traveled by B equals V naught t, again, is 0 plus 1/2 AT squared. 1/2 G, this time for ball B it's time B, TB squared. Alright, so we have an equation for the distance B and an equation for the distance A, and we know a relation between them. So what I'm going to do is plug both of those into this relation. So dA, this 1/2 GTA squared, goes into this dA. That's equal to 3 times dV, which I'm going to put in there. 1/2 G TB squared. Now, what I can do is just divide out like terms. I divide both sides by 1/2 G so that they cancel out. And I'm left with TA squared equals 3 TB squared. Now I'm looking for TA divided by TB. That's the ratio I want. So I divide TB over, so I get TA squared divided by TB squared equals 3. Now I just square root both sides. Give me TA over TB equals the square root of 3